Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial series. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this tutorial, we'll learn about block command and block edit command in AutoCAD. So before I start the tutorial, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically, what is block command? So this command is used to make the multiple objects into single block or single objects. So by using this command we can make the multiple objects into single object, which is in single block, we can say. Okay, so before how to use this block command in our drawing, first let's discuss basically why we need this block command. Okay, while we are doing lighting layout or power circuit layout, okay, or any drawings. Okay, so for that let's move into our layout plan. So this is the school layout plan. Okay, here we have a architectural drawing of the school. So this is the ground floor plan of the school. Okay, so let's make the one circular light. Okay, round type light. So type C. Now let's use line command. So here I have done 5-watt LED lights, which is round type. Okay, now let's place this light in this classroom by using copy command. So type CO and hit the enter and select the object. So here, while selecting the object, as you can see over here, we have to click on each object of this light. So this light is made up of 3 objects. One is this circle, and second one is this line, and third one is this line. So here we have a 3 objects. So while selecting this light, we have to click on each object. So here I have clicked on circle, then let's click on this line and finally this line. So in this way we can select the object. So here we have a time consuming, even we might be left any object during this selection. That's why while we are working on any drawings like lighting layouts or power circuit layouts, then we have to make the any legends or symbol into one block. So it will be easy while selecting the objects. So by one click we can select the whole objects. Okay, now let's copy this light in this classroom. Okay, so in this way we can place the light. Okay, so here I am using freehand. So this is for only example, that's why I have not aligned any light. Okay, so suppose here we have placed the light in this fashion. Okay, and hit the enter. Okay, so in this way we have placed the light. Okay, later suppose we want to modify the symbol of this light. Okay, then we'll have to, suppose we want to add another circle in this light to modify this symbol or legend. So we have to use, suppose, circle command, and in this way we can modify it. So in this situation we have to modify it in each light. So this is the time consuming. Actually we have to separately modify it in all the lights which we have placed in multiple positions. So this is the actually very time consuming, and even we have a confusion later. So these are the basically problems. Okay, that's why we have to use block command to solve this problem, to save the time. Now let's make the block of this round type light. Okay, so suppose this is the 5 watt LED round type light. Okay, so to make the block of this light, let's use block commands. So first let's select the object which you are going to make the block. Okay, so here I am going to make the block of this light. Okay, so select this. Here we have selected, and B is the shortcut of block command. So type B, okay, and hit the enter. Okay, now let's give the name of this block. So here, so this is the 5 watt LED circular light. Okay, so here I have given the name of this block. Okay, and now finally click on OK. Now this light is converted into block. So previous it was a multiple objects like a circle, lines. Okay, now this whole light become a one object which is in one block. Okay, now if we want to select the object, so by clicking on one click we can select this whole objects. Okay, now let's place this light in each classroom. Okay, so by copy command, so let's use copy command, and here as you can see by one click we can select the whole light. Okay, so this is the solution by using block command. Okay, now specify the base point. Here in this way we can place the light. Okay, so this is the way to place the light. Okay, here I am using freehand. Okay, so here I am only discuss about block command. That's why we only focus on block command. Okay, so in this way we can place the light by using copy command. So here we have placed light. So later suppose we want to modify the legend of this 5 watt LED light. Okay, then in this condition by using block edit command we can modify the legend of this light. So to modify this legend, let's use block edit command. Okay, so BE is the shortcut of block edit command. Okay, and hit the enter. Here we have to select the which block we are going to modify. So here let's select the block name. So this is our block name which we are going to modify. Okay, so let's select this and click on OK. Now here, as you can see, our block edit command is activated. Now let's place the another circle, okay, in this legend. So type C and hit the enter, and let's specify here. Now we can place this circle over here. Now this legend is modified. So before closing it, we have to save this block. So BS is the shortcut for block save command. Okay, BS. Okay, now this block is saved. So to exit from this block edit command, we can click on this cross circle here, close the block editor. So here I have closed. Now as you can see over here, now everywhere this light legend is modified, as you can see over here. Okay, so in this way it will save the time. So in this condition, we have not to modify the each object separately, because we have already made this light into one block, and by using block edit command we can modify the whole lights by using block edit command. But in this situation, what happened, we have to modify the each light separately one by one. So this will time consuming, even we might made a mistake while doing drawing. Okay, so this is the actual advantage of block command. So in this way we can use the block command while doing electrical drawing, like a lighting layout or power circuit layout or any drawing. So before I start the drawing, if you are going to make the any legends, I recommend you to please make the block of this object, so it will be easy for later. So in this video we have learned about how to use block command and how to use block edit command. So hope you guys understand this tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. So please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming tutorial. So thank you very much. See you again in next tutorial.